Somebody told you it was too late. Maybe you told yourself. You looked at your age, you looked at your bills, you looked at your schedule, and you said, I missed my window. And that belief right there, that is what keeps people stuck for years. Not their schedule, not their money, the belief that it is too late. Because here's what actually happens. You tell yourself it's too late at 28. Then you're 32 saying the same thing. Then you're 38. And nothing changed except the years. It was never too late. You just never had a plan that fit your actual life. That is what this video is about. Welcome to Graduate College Fast. I'm going to show you how to finish your bachelor's degree in 12 months for under $10,000. Even if you work full time, even if you have kids, even if you have some college credits and no idea what to do with them. Let's get into it. Break down what the traditional path actually costs you, not just in money, but in time. Traditional 4-year university, tuition, fees, books. You are looking at $30,000 to $80,000, but that is if you finish in 4 years. Most working adults do not finish in 4 years because life happens, work happens, kids happen, and the system is not built around any of that. So 4 years becomes 5. 5 becomes 6. Some people drop out completely, and the whole time, the debt is stacking. Now here's the other cost nobody talks about. Time. Every year you spend in the traditional system is a year you are not progressing in your career. A year you are not getting that promotion. A year you are not hitting the income level you are working toward. Time has a price, and the traditional system charges you a lot of it. So let's flip it. Step 1, create a plan. Before you take a single course, you need to know where you are going. Pick your degree. Pick your college. Figure out how many credits they will accept in transfer and from where. This step saves you from wasting months taking courses that do not count. You need a plan first, then you move. Step 2, stack your transfer credits. This is where study.com comes in. Study.com has a college saver plan that starts at $95 a month. For $95, you can take as many general education courses as you want. English, math, history, communications, all your gen eds. Self-paced, no schedule, from your phone. No cap on how many courses you can complete in a month. Now, if your degree allows it, you can upgrade to College Saver Pro to go beyond gen eds and start knocking out core courses for your major. You stack as many credits as your degree and your college will allow. That is the goal. Step 3, transfer and finish. Once your transfer credits are done, you enroll at your college and complete your remaining credits. This is where schools like WGU, Capella FlexPath, and UMPI Your Pace come in. They are self-paced, built for working adults, and designed to let you finish fast. You already did the heavy lifting in step 2. Now you just crossed the finish line. Step 4, graduate. That is it. That is the path. That is the whole plan. Traditional college costs $30,000 to $80,000 and takes 4 to 6 years. This Graduate College Fast path costs $5,000 to $10,000 and takes 12 months or less. Same accredited degree, different approach. Let me show you what 12 months actually looks like. Months 1 to 4, you are knocking out your transfer courses, as many as you can finish every 30 days. Months 5, you finish your transfer credits. You request your transcripts. You apply to your university. Months 6 through 12, you are enrolled. You are completing your remaining credits at your own pace. Month 12, you graduate. That is it. That is the timeline. How fast you finish depends on how consistent you are. The path is clear. Now here's the thing. Everything I just walked you through, that is the plan. But knowing the plan and executing the plan are two different things. When you try to figure this out alone, you end up spending weeks researching, months taking the wrong courses. You transfer credits that do not count. You pick the wrong school. You waste time. The 12-month degree plan removes all of that. You get a custom degree blueprint. It tells you exactly which courses to take, how many credits transfer, and which platform fits you and your degree. You get the 30-day Jumpstart Sprint. It gets you through your first 4 to 8 courses in 30 days. You get a 40-minute college success coaching call to help you figure out your path. You get weekly study hall tutor meetings and weekly support meetings. You get 12 months of access. This is for working adults who are done waiting and ready to move. Go to GraduateFastHack.com. The plan is on sale right now. And remember, you got this. Just keep pushing.